Making a splash. Dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a really interesting English phrase, make a splash. This phrase is not only colorful but also widely used in everyday English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Make a splash is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To make a splash means to attract a lot of attention or make a great impression in a particular situation or event. It's often used when someone or something becomes suddenly very successful or popular, especially in a noticeable or spectacular way. The phrase, make a splash, has a vivid imagery attached to it. Think about someone diving into water and the splash that follows. This imagery is a metaphor for causing a big effect or stir when arriving on a scene. The origin of this phrase is believed to be from the early 19th century, relating to the literal splash made by something hitting water. Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. The new tech startup made a huge splash in the industry with its innovative products. 2. Her stunning performance in the movie made a splash and got her many fans. 3. The young artist made a splash in the art world with his unique style. In these sentences, make a splash is used to describe gaining significant attention or making a strong impact in a particular field. Here are some tips. 1. Use it to describe a significant impact or attention. 2. It's often used in a positive context. 3. Combine it with words like huge, big, or massive for emphasis. So, that's all about the phrase, make a splash. We hope you find this idiom useful and incorporate it into your English conversations or writings. Remember, learning idioms can make your English sound more natural and fluent. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Keep practicing, and you'll surely make a splash with your English skills.